3, 2, 1.
Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Ever thought about the endless possibilities for keeping your body moving and grooving beyond exercise routines? Right on, Mia! Being active is about finding ways to move that are fun for you. Whether it's playing pickleball with your friends, skateboarding, doing yoga, or even walking your dog, every bit of movement is a step towards wellness. What kinds of activities spark a little excitement in you? Everyone's sparks are unique. Maybe yours is filled with martial arts moves, skating tricks, or even gardening. Yep, that counts too. You get to pick the ways to move your body that suit you best and incorporate them into your everyday life. Oh, yes, of course. We can help you figure out your unique activity, Mia. What about juggling? Indoor skydiving? That doesn't really blow you away, huh? Frog chorus conductor! Yeah, okay, I guess you aren't up for any riveting performances anytime soon. We'll need some creative thinking to find the perfect activity for Mia. And for you too. Ready to get started? Awesome! Let's think outside the box and find a wellness path that will love every step of the way.
Hello, champions of movement. I can call you that, right? You have made it to the final season in physical fitness, after all. In our journey through the world of physical activity, we've explored the vibrant spectrum of sports, from the adrenaline rush of soccer and basketball to the graceful waves of kayaking and the liberating paths of cycling. Each sport offers a unique adventure, a chance to dive into new experiences and learn skills that stretch beyond the playing field. But here's something to think about. What value do you think sports, and those dedicated workout sessions we've completed with Coach Chloe, add to our lives? Sports celebrate movement, teamwork, and personal growth. They challenge us to push our limits, to rise after a fall, and to discover the strength we never knew we had. Just like a structured workout, sports sculpt our bodies, fortify our hearts, and rejuvenate our minds. They also weave in the joy of play, the thrill of competition, and the bonds of camaraderie. We've learned about a lot of sports over the last few seasons of our show. Which activity most aligns with your preferences? Let's consider which of these sports resonates most with you and sparks that enthusiasm. How about team sports? Whether you're scoring goals in soccer, shooting hoops in basketball, or running bases in baseball, sports are not just about winning, they're a fantastic way to build teamwork as you and your friends learn to work together towards a common goal. And hey, being a team player also means becoming a leader, both on and off the field. Now let's sway to the rhythm of dance. Dance isn't just moving to music, it's a powerful way to express your creativity and emotions without saying a word. From a structured ballet class to hip-hop, dancing boosts your flexibility, balance, and strength. Imagine being able to tell a story with your body. How cool is that? Pedal power time. Biking isn't just fun, it's also an incredible cardio workout that strengthens your heart, muscles, and endurance. Plus, it's a green mode of transportation. Choosing to bike instead of asking for a ride reduces pollution, making our planet a happier, healthier place. Biking is fun, it's a great cardio workout, and it's a green mode of transportation. Think about the last time you biked. What did you notice around you? How did it feel to power yourself forward? Actually, before we race ahead, let's take a quick pause and think about the last time you engaged in any of these activities. How did it make you feel? Energized? Happy? Connected with friends or nature? Remember, every move you make is a step toward a healthier you. So, as we lace up our sneakers and step into the arena of our choice, let's remember, the world of sports is vast and varied, a treasure trove of lessons and adventures. Whether we're scoring a goal, perfecting a dance move, or racing against the wind on our bikes, we're engaging in a form of workout that's as enriching as it is exhilarating. Each has its unique way of boosting your body and mind. Who knows, your next adventure might just be a leap, twirl, or pedal away. But what if none of these activities are super exciting to you? Fortunately, there are many other ways to stay fit and active. Let's head over to B to hear her ideas on this.
Physical fitness is like a treasure chest overflowing with countless gems that can enhance our overall well-being, making us healthier, happier, and bursting with good energy. But here's the secret. Staying active isn't just about playing a sport or lifting weights in a gym. No, it's much more colorful and diverse. There's no one-size-fits-all. The magic of physical fitness is that it embraces all interests and lifestyles. It's about making the choice to move more in ways that bring joy into your life. If sports or exercise routines aren't quite your thing, that's all right. Lucky you, there are a lot of other ways to incorporate movement into your everyday life. Who says you need a gym when you've got a living room and your favorite tunes? If you're not up for a structured dance class, try cranking up the volume on your favorite playlist and have a mini dance party right in your own home. Whether you're the dancing king of the kitchen or the queen of your room, let loose and shake it off. It's all about having fun and getting your heart rate up. Bust out those moves like you're the next dance sensation. Who needs a Stairmaster when you've got actual stairs? Skip the elevator or escalator and take the stairs whenever you can. Make it a game. Challenge yourself to take 2 at a time, or see how fast you can go without turning it into a sprint. It's a fantastic way to build those leg muscles and get your heart pumping. Plus, it's totally free. Embrace the daily grind of chores with a twist of movement. Transform vacuuming into a lunging marathon. Each step forward is an opportunity to strengthen those quads and glutes. Turn dishwashing into a calf-raising session. Stand on your tiptoes as you scrub and rinse, feeling the burn in your calves. Make bed making a core workout by engaging your abs with every tuck and fold. It's not just about getting the chores done, it's about finding those moments of fitness in the mundane. Challenge yourself to incorporate more movement into each task. Can you squat while you're picking up toys or stretch while you're dusting the highest shelves? Every bit of movement counts. Turn your home into a free, fun, and functional fitness hub. Ever thought of your feet as your personal, eco-friendly transportation system? Walking to your destination is a fantastic way to incorporate movement into your day without even thinking about it as a workout. With an adult's permission, try walking around your neighborhood or around a local park path. Do you live near a grocery store? Try walking there. Justin brought up biking. There's something inherently fun about biking. Feel the wind in your hair, enjoy the sights and sounds, and rediscover the joy of the journey. Plus, bikes are zero-emission heroes. Choosing to bike not only reduces air pollution, but also decreases noise pollution and road congestion. Unboxing our fitness treasure chest can lead us to lifelong health. It's not just about the physical benefits like stronger muscles or a healthier heart, although those are fantastic perks. It's also about feeling good mentally, boosting our mood, and powering up our brains to make learning even more enjoyable. So, as we journey through this world of wellness together, remember, the goal isn't to be the fastest or the strongest. It's about finding ways to move your body that make you smile and feel alive, and carrying that spark of joy with you every day. Building on this foundation of joy and self-discovery, let's now turn to Coach Chloe to see what kind of workout she has in store for us today. Coach Chloe.
Welcome back to my corner, where today music meets movement in a symphony of squats. Music isn't just for dancing, it's a powerful motivator and guide in our fitness journey. Combining music with exercise isn't just about keeping beat, it's about finding your rhythm in fitness, allowing the melody to drive your movements, and letting the harmony inspire your effort. Today, we're going to do just that by working out alongside music. As we dive into squat melodies, remember to listen for the cues in the song. Each verse is designed to guide you through squat form and timing. Make every rep count. Ready to make music with our movements? Remember, this is your journey, your rhythm. Find the beat that moves you. All right, let's get grooving. Justin, play those tunes.
Before we squat, remember, heels flat on the ground, chest up, knees and hips parallel. Down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Remember the proper technique. Heels flat on the ground, chest up, knees and hips parallel. Down and up, down and up, down and stay down and stay down and stay down, down and up. Nice work on those squats. Let's do some more, but this time we'll go twice as fast in reps of 3. Down and up, 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 down and up. We're not done yet. Let's push through with a little bit more. Think about your technique and let's go. Down and up, 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 down and up.
Wow, that was such a fun and different way to incorporate a workout. If you're looking for a bit more of a challenge, check out the additional squat workout in your playbook. Incorporating music into our workouts adds an extra layer of fun and engagement, making it something we can look forward to. Keep these tunes handy for when you need a boost or just want to mix things up. Remember, fitness is a journey best enjoyed with a soundtrack that inspires you. Keep moving, keep grooving, and until next time, stay strong. Let's head back to the locker room with Caroline.
Wow, a lot of great ideas today. It's all about adding movement in ways that resonate with you personally. Whether you're kicking a ball, taking the scenic route on your bike, or exploring new ways to stay active with friends, every movement contributes to your physical and mental well-being. Oh, and Mia's figured out her perfect activity. Guess what she's picked? A robot dance marathon. She'll be boogieing to a playlist of fitness beats, showing off her best moves and maybe even teaching us a step or two. It's the perfect combination of fun and movement for Mia. You got it. Finding your own unique way to stay active is all about creativity, fun, and a bit of imagination. Mia found her groove, and we can't wait to see where your adventure in fitness takes you. This is Ready, Sweat, Go, signing off.